Hi everyone. I just wanted to touch base with you. I did review the feedback from Nursing 730, and just so you know, I do really take all the information that you give me to heart, so thank you so much for that. I wanted to touch base with you about the matrix for Nursing 770 for the epidemiology at risk analysis. So based on the feedback, there were some snafus with using the matrix in the last class. So I wanted to pose to you as you're starting on this particular assignment, I'm okay with using a different format if something's easier for you, as long as it includes all the information, except this is not a paper. So if there's some other way to format it so that it's not like a paper document, like in APA format, formal paper, that would be perfectly fine, just so I can find the information and it's labeled correctly. I don't want to create barriers for you when you're completing these assignments. That's not what it's all about. It's about completing the assignment and completing all the information. So if there's something that you want to do a little different, that's perfectly fine with me. If you have any questions or concerns about doing so, let me know. If you want to send like a little draft or a format to me to take a look at, that's fine too. Again, the most important thing is that the assignment is completed and that the appropriate information is there, and ultimately that it's a benefit to you to move forward as you're going to design your proposal. So I'm saying lots of words just to say that I'm going to be flexible with the matrix format. So with that being said, if you need anything from me, let me know. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Take care now. Bye-bye.